Hello, viewers. Education is transforming fast, and today's educators need more than traditional tools. They need intelligence, creativity, and the power of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of teaching and learning. I am Professor Maitri Datta from NITAR Chandigarh.
And myself, Dr. Meenakshi Sood from NITAR Chandigarh. Dear friends, NITAR Chandigarh proudly announces the launch of its MOOC on artificial intelligence and open source tools for teaching learning excellence. This 12-week, 3-credit course is an immersive learning experience designed for educators, researchers, academic innovators, and no doubt for the students eager to explore the future of digital learning. This course equips learners with practical AI tools for classroom innovation.
Also, open source technologies to enhance teaching effectiveness.
And not to talk about hands-on approaches to design intelligent learning environments.
So, Dr. Meenakshi, now let us explore the contents of this MOOC.
Sure, ma'am.
So, friends, in week 1, unravel the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and why it is redefining global education. Weeks 2 and 3 explore the emerging AI opportunities, teaching learning strategies, flowcharting tools, Microsoft Whiteboard, and Canvas LMS.
Going ahead, weeks 4 and 5 take you deep into data visualization. Jupyter Notebooks, Orange Tool, assessment strategies, Mentimeter, Google Forms, and Google Classroom. And week 6 equips you with interactive learning tools like Hot Potatoes, Answer Garden, Nearpod, and AI-assisted grading platforms such as Gradescope and Eval AI.
Absolutely. Week 7 now unfolds the power of visual learning, presentation tools, and generative AI tools to create the content without coding. Week 8 empowers you with cutting-edge skills in prompt engineering and professional quality content creation using OBS Studio. Week 9 introduces research boosting tools such as Zotero, Connected Papers, SciSpace, ResearchRabbit, and Explain Paper.
Moving ahead, friends, week 10 and 11 help you master Scilabs, virtual labs, GitHub education, and crucial concepts like cybersecurity, data privacy, and responsible AI adoption. And finally, last but not the least, week 12 prepares you for the future with insights into responsible AI, culminating in an exciting capstone activity.
This course is not just about learning tools. It is about transforming your teaching. You will design smarter lessons, visualize the concept effortlessly, evaluate the students more effectively, and harness AI to personalize learning like never before.
Exactly.
No technical background? No problem. Each module includes the demonstrations, real classroom applications, and step-by-step guidance.
Very well spoken, ma'am. So take the leap, friends. Empower yourself with the tools that are shaping the future of education. Enroll now in the MOOC on artificial intelligence and open source tools for teaching learning excellence and become the educator of tomorrow by joining this course today. Dear friends, join us on this transformative journey and unlock the limitless possibilities of AI enhanced education.
So enroll
Explore
and excel.